All right, I keep trying to explain how simple this is. Check this out. I'm gonna jump the fence. Look. You see this? You get one tall thing in the middle. You get a little bit of flowers, get some stuff hanging over the edge. Just put something tall in the middle of your pot, whatever it is, however big it is. That's the trick. That's the only trick you need to know. Check it out. One tall thing in the middle, a few flowers, maybe a couple of rocks, stuff hanging over the edges. Oh, wait, this is perfect. Look at that. I didn't even know this one was here. But there it is. You got one nice tall thing, a little bit of foliage, and then cool stuff that's gonna just continue growing, hanging over the edge. That's how you do it. That's the trick for everything, no matter how big or how little it is. It can be the smallest little pot. It can be a great big, huge, like ornamental thing. No matter what, it's so simple. I just gave you the formula to make the most beautiful arrangements anywhere you want. In your garden, in your home, your entryway, or perhaps the city. A rainy day, a sweet hairdo, whatever you want. That's how you do it. Enjoy your planting.